Let's go see the ACs at this lake house. The same one's still running, and the same one's still off. So yeah. I'm guessing this is the upstairs unit. It looks like a 4-ton. This is a 2013 Ruud 3-ton. Oh, and it actually has 2 blades. I thought it had 3, just like this one. The blades are very oddly shaped. Ruud. Yeah, so I believe this is the downstairs. Both of these are from 2013. This one's a 3-ton, and I think this one's a 4-ton. Don't know what type of compressor these have. Oh, Copeland scroll. This one has a Copeland scroll. That one probably has a Copeland scroll as well. Both are from 2013. They're both very rusty. And yeah, this one's running. Pretty sure it's the downstairs. The upstairs unit. I know the upstairs blower is off right now. Yeah. This one hasn't been running in a while. This one has been running for quite a bit. Alright. Hopefully I'll get this one running. But yeah.